Good morning, Glen Cove Stars. Today we're going to be going over flying discs, what I have in my hand, what I've been talking to you guys about, what I've been prepping for you guys to get so we could do this lesson this week, okay? So if you don't have a Frisbee, that's fine. I asked you guys to get some pot holders. If you guys weren't able to get a pot holder, that's fine. You guys can always get 2 paper plates, one sitting down like this, right? And then the other flipped over, okay? You could put a rubber band to hold it together, and you guys could use that as a Frisbee, okay? Another thing you guys could probably use is maybe a flat pillow. I just want you guys to be able to flick it and go through the motions. If you guys can't get that or don't have that, that's fine. Just go through the motions with us, okay? I know some of you guys are in daycare. You guys can be throwing a Frisbee in there. You guys don't have space, blah, blah, blah. That's fine, guys. As long as you guys are up and you guys are participating and going with the movements, okay? We're gonna start by getting into our grip, okay? So what I want you guys to do is grip your Frisbee. Right here on my Frisbee, I have a flat part and then I have a bump, right? So what I want you guys to do is put your thumb over that little indent. Your index finger is going to go along the rim, okay? So your thumb on top, your index finger along the rim. The rest of your fingers, the 3 fingers, are going to grip the Frisbee inside, okay? So this is the way it should look, okay? This is the way it should look. See? I just want you guys right now to practice throwing, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys the motions to throw, and then later on we'll aim for a target, okay? I have my target right here. I'm not gonna aim for it yet. I'm just gonna show you guys the movements, okay? So what you're gonna do is face your target, point your target. You're gonna come across your body like if you're putting on a seatbelt. So point your target, put on your seatbelt, step out, step forward, and flick, okay? So the important part about learning Frisbee or flying discs is that we flick our wrist, okay? We want to flick, 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 flick our wrist, okay? We don't want to throw our arms out. We don't want that, okay? Because the Frisbee's not gonna go where we want it to go if we do that, okay? If we flick our wrist and slightly toss it to our target, you guys are gonna make it in your target and get your targets all the time, okay? Or, well, 99.9% of the time, okay? Maybe not all the time, but you'll get it there, okay? So now, I'm gonna practice throwing it to my target, okay? My target is this circle right here in my chair, okay? So now, I'm just gonna be right here about a couple feet. I'm not gonna go for distance, not yet. We're just practicing and getting our accuracy, okay? So what did I tell you guys? You point to your target, you put on your seatbelt, you cross your body, you step out, and flick, okay? Let's try it again. Point to your target, cross your body, step, and flick. Oh. That's okay, we're practicing. We're practicing, that's fine. Let's try it again. Point to your target, cross your body, step, and flick. Oh, that's fine if you don't get your target, that's fine. That's why we are practicing, okay? One more time, here we go. Point to your target, cross your body, step, and flick. Woo! Yeah! All right, so now that we've practiced it a little bit, we are gonna get our cups together, we're gonna stack them up, and we are going to practice aiming towards our cups, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I set up my cups. I asked for 6 plastic cups. If you guys don't have them, that's fine. If you have at least one, you could go ahead and just use that one and shoot it as your target, okay? Aim for your target. this is gonna be my new target instead of that big circle, okay? So what I'm gonna do is go through the motions again with a point, cross, step, flick. I want you guys to continue using that. And now you're gonna be aiming towards your new target, which is your cups, okay? So let's try it. Point, cross, step, flick. Woo! So I knocked those down. Now I'm gonna try a smaller pyramid, okay? A smaller target. So I'm gonna set it up 1, 2, 3, okay? I'm gonna take these out. So aim for your smaller pyramid now, okay? So point, cross, step, flick. You. I knocked those 3 down, so now I'm gonna go for a smaller target, okay? I'm taking away the 2, and I'm leaving 1 here, okay? That is your new target. Let's try to get it. Let's see if I can get it on one try, all right? So point, cross, step, flick. Too low. Here we go. Point, cross, step, on 2. All right, guys. So now that we've done that, we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of time to set up your stuff, and then we're gonna continue practicing, okay? So I'll see you guys in a bit.